With Flex Property, I think we have a system which will provide us with real-time information where our team can make decisions to grow the value of our assets in real time, make real-time decisions, and that's really exciting. At the time we decided to look for a new system, we were faced with two challenges. First was the company had grown significantly. We were also coming to the end of the life of our existing system, SAP, and so those two were the main reason that we went out to market to look for a new system.
Tainui Group Holdings is the commercial arm for the Waikato Tainui iwi. We're responsible for investing the funds of the tribe to the best of our ability in order to try and make as much money for the social arm so they can implement their social programs.
There's a number of different assets that the organisation is responsible for. So the primary piece that started was land, whenua, and the land, it might have been farmland, it might have been commercial assets that already have been developed. Some of that farmland, it was turned into an industrial asset, and our obligation is to ensure that we invest those assets in such a way that is respectful to the needs of the organisation, also respecting the intrinsic value of the whenua, of the land, so it can continue to remain in the ownership of the iwi and still generate return.
Hei tangata, hei tangata, hei tangata. People, the people, the people. That's what this is about, to make the lives of the tribal members better.
TGH currently manages about $1.7 billion of the tribe's assets. So we needed a system that could handle quite a diverse portfolio of property assets.
The tool that we have used in the past was sized for a much larger organisation, which hindered our ability to be dynamic, to move with our changing requirements.
It just wasn't providing our property team with the ability to report financially as easily as Yavaka is going to be able to do.
The platform that we deliver this on is Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations platform, and the layer that we selected to bring in to help manage our property was Flex Property. That enabled both the stability of the Microsoft platform as well as the complexity that we needed from a partner managing the property to grow with us.
From a technical perspective, we thought that Yavaka gave us the option to store data in a flexible way and capture data that we can't capture in our old ERP system. That was one of my key drivers. The other driver was the ability to get the information out of the system really efficiently and effectively so that we can then build some really useful reports within the organisation.
The implementation was very well supported by Yavaka. We have a specialist property team and we had peers in the Yavaka organisation that supported us along the journey.
The staff from Yavaka provided us with templates, spreadsheet templates, which were really helpful to say, well, this is the information we need in these columns. And so to see examples of what has been done in the past, say, oh, okay, I can now map our data into those templates that they provided. And then from there, it was very seamless loading it in through the data management tool. Yeah, the whole process worked very smoothly.
For the most part, it's been remote support, and that's been very effective for us. At key periods during the project, we have had on-site support. The fact that we were often in different time zones worked in our favour because it meant that we could have an issue that we might identify in the afternoon. People would be working on it overnight, our time, and it would be available for us in the morning. So that actually worked as a benefit for us.
The relationship between Tainui Group Holdings and Yavaka has been really good, and so I think that's helped the project run really smoothly.
Fusion 5, our TGH project team and Yavaka together has been an amazing project team. It's been about the people again, hei tangata, and I'd really hope that I get the opportunity to work with them again.
Something that has impressed me about the tool is there's more capability within the tool that we are using at the moment. I can see that for different areas of growth, it's going to support us through that growth.
Worked really hard for the property team to make sure that everything was accurate, and then now I can trust when I send a report to our CEO that the information I've got there is right.
Flex Property, we believe we have a system to help us deliver our ultimate goal, which is intergenerational, which is all about growing our assets to grow our people.